Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are on step 3. So step 3 is going to be looking at the personal side of your money. And I know this seems crazy. This is supposed to be about your business, but we're looking at some personal information. So the first stop we're going to have here is to look at any other sources of income that aren't directly related to your business. So if you have a spouse or significant other and your finances are all combined, their income should go here too. If you have a part-time job or you receive some type of government benefits, all of this information should go here. So if you have a part-time job and in addition to your business and you get paid bi-weekly, you are going to put that information in here. So you'll select the frequency. If you get paid $500 bi-weekly, it's going to do the calculations for you. Again, like you saw in the business expenses, it's going to calculate what your total monthly income is going to be. And if you get some type of government benefit, so in Canada here, child tax benefit is pretty common. It depends on your income, of course. So if that's $600 a month, we'll put that in here. And then that's all we need to do here is add in any sources of income that are not related to your business. And then the main part of today's task is to go over to the personal expense tab and enter anything here that is an expense that you pay for. So if you are a couple and your finances are combined, you're going to put all of your expenses down here. If you are half of a couple and your finances are split down the middle, your significant other pays for some things and you pay for other things, you're only going to list here the expenses that you actually cover. So we're going to throw some random things in there. So let's put in $1,800 a month for rent a month, hydro 100, water 60, and the key is here too, you have to put the frequency in or it's not going to calculate properly. And because I don't want to take a lot of time and go through every single step, I do want to go down and talk to you about some of these things. So in the green, those are the things that tend to get away week to week from you. So looking at those items kind of in one amount together can be something that could be helpful, and using cash, or there's a couple of different other ways to look at that. And then some of these, like orangey guys down here, are some of the things that I recommend saving for regularly as part of your personal expenses so that it doesn't hit you as a whammy when you get there. So something like Christmas happens at the same time every year, but it's important to save for it a little bit each month or each pay so that you get to that time and you don't feel like you've got a punch in the gut. So, and the same with your business expenses, it is going to add up your total monthly personal expenses based on what your whole month looks like. So between the income and the personal expense, this should give you some clarity on what you need to be making from your business. So the top here in cell B1 is actually what you entered as your income minus all of these expenses. So because we haven't entered any of your business income, we haven't looked at that just yet, that's going to show us a shortage of $360 a month in this scenario. So stay tuned for the next video, and I look forward to seeing you soon.